Hi everybody, my name is Goran and I'm VP of Product and Solutions in Barco Immersive Experiences. We are so happy to be here at InfoComm and to showcase and to share with rAVe a number of new products that we have here at the show. So the first one we have to show is our new QDX RGB projector. So what you see now is our brand new RGB laser addition to our QDX product portfolio. The QDX projectors range all the way up to 45,000 lumens, and they come with laser phosphor, with native 4K, with 4K UHD DMDs, and this particular edition is an 84K RGB projector. This is red, green, and blue lasers. They produce a Rec 2020 color space, and this is used for theme parks or entertainment centers to make all colors pop and to wow audiences that are looking at this projector image. So, yes. So you can find more information about this on our website www.barco.com.